Hello, this is Poison Farming. Today I'm checking up on my lichi's grafting that the layered. Okay, I'll first check these ones, but even though I don't know it internally, I do feel that there are roots in here, and also in this one. Okay, there's nothing here. Okay, let's start checking because before I take everything down, I have to check first. I have to undo everything very nicely because it may happen that it only have white roots. When the roots are still white, they are not ready yet. They need to be brown because the chances of it surviving are very low. Just need to see it, and then I will see what happens to it. Okay. You have to be delicate because it may happen that the tree is not ready yet, and I need to put everything back when I'm done. Look at the roots that I have in here. They are not very solid yet. And they are still white. Okay, I'll just leave it be like this. It does have roots, but they are still white. You'll have to wait for it until the roots are actually brown. Because with time, one thing you'll notice with time, uh, it's actually the determinant factor. The color of the roots actually is a determinant factor of whether the tree will make it or not. Because if you take it way too early, at the time when the roots are still white, they're still sprouting. They don't have any energy to actually suck on the nutrients. So you'll be just killing it. I also have this one. It's still growing, still growing. Let it wait. I think I crafted around 200 of them. And I also have the seedling trees around here. So I have everything. These are the seedlings ones. Slowly they're growing. About 3 months they will be ready to sell.